we can access all CSS styles of any element in our page, and we can change them too. Now if we go to this website, htmldog.com, and we will see what are the CSS styles that we can use in our CSS style coding, or using JavaScript to access them and change them. We have different types, and we have here by category, text, fonts, colors, background, visual formatting, visibility. Like visibility here, if we click on visibility, we will see that it would take different values like visible, hidden, collapse, inherit, and other type of values. Now we have different properties like background, background attachment, background image, background color, and we can access them and change them using JavaScript. Now let me access the current CSS style of this text box, even if I didn't put in my HTML page any style for it. I will see the CSS style generated by the page directly if we don't have a specific style to it. So let's go, and I will create a new div, and I will call it style as an ID, and it is empty. Now I need to get the text element, so text document dot get element by ID of txt. Now let's get the style object into a new variable var style, and it is equal to document dot default view dot, we have a new function called get computed style of txt, and what get computed style help us to get the style, the current style of this element here of txt. Now if I go and set the style into our div like document dot get element by ID style dot inner HTML, I need to get the value inside this div, and here I will type style. I will see an array or an object of this variable, and I can't access any value. Let's go and refresh. You will see that we have object CSS style declaration. It's an object, so we need another method to access this object, and type style dot get property value, and here inside the get property value method I will type what type of CSS property I need. I need the visibility, for example. Let's refresh, and we'll see that the property of visibility is equal to visible. Now if I type, for example, width, and refresh, we will see that the width of this text box is 173, and we can type anything we want. Let's type the background color property, and we'll see the RGB of this background color of this text box, and we can see the border. It's 2 pixels. Now this is how we get our CSS style properties, and how to change them is by going to txt dot style dot, we specify the CSS property we want, visibility, top, width, border, and all those CSS style that we have here. We can access each one of them. So let's go and set the visibility, and it's equal to hidden. Let's refresh, and you will see that the text box is hidden.